Hi everyone, it's Dr. Sarna, and we are going to show you what it's like to have the BioTe pellets placed. First, this is our setup, and notice our BioTe pellets are these very tiny little pellets that we're going to be putting in our patient today, who has so graciously allowed us to video this. All right, so we start really just by trying to find an area in our goals that are nice and soft. We just do a little betadine to cleanse the skin. We're going to numb her up with a little bit of lidocaine. You're going to feel a little poke and a burn. Trying to find that little wheel. Almost done. Keep breathing. All right, and that is it. So now that she's numb, she's not going to feel anything more than that. The device that we're going to push the pellets in with. All right, so first, of course, we got to make our little incision.
I can still feel it. What if I can feel it?
I'm going to ask you.
Okay.
So I'm kind of poking you. Do you feel anything sharp?
No.
See? So you feel my hands,
Yes,
you feel my
yes.
touch, but not the sharp. So that's that. And we prepare our little trocar. Doing great. All right. Next, we're going to actually just put the little pellets in. And then we push them on in. And that is it. So simple, right? And then we're just going to bandage her up and give her a little ice, and she'll be off on her way. Thanks so much for watching.